Writing is a big part of online work today. Whether you are writing emails, social media posts, blog articles, client messages, or website content, your writing needs to be clear and professional. But not everyone is confident in writing, and even good writers make mistakes. This is where an AI writing tool like Pismo can really help. Pismo is an AI-powered writing assistant that helps you to rewrite, proofread, and translate your text easily. It works with whatever you are writing, no matter if it is short or long content. Pismo is designed for creators, students, professionals, and business who want better writing without spending too much time editing. The best part is that Pismo is available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo, which means you can use it long term without monthly payments. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow using smart tools and special deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to check out the Pismo through the AppSumo. By using the description link, the lifetime deal that will be applied automatically, so you can get some discount and improve your writing without ongoing cost. Now let's come to the main part of the video and understand how Pismo works and why it can be useful for everyday writing. One of the main features of Pismo is rewriting. If you already have some text but it doesn't sound good or clear, Pismo can rewrite it for you. It helps improve the sentence structure, tone, and clarity while keeping the original meaning. This is very helpful when you want your writing to sound more professional and more friendly depending on the situation. Proofreading is another strong feature. Pismo checks your writing for grammar mistakes, spelling errors, and awkward sentences. Instead of reading your content again and again, the AI quickly fixes errors and improves the flow. This saves time and gives you more confidence when sending emails or publishing content. Translation is also very useful, especially for people who work with international clients or audiences. Pismo can translate your writing into different languages while keeping the meaning natural. This helps you to communicate better with people from different regions without hiring a translator. Pismo is very easy to use. You simply paste your text, you can choose what you want to do, and the AI gives you the result. You don't need any technical knowledge or writing expertise. This makes it perfect for beginners, students, freelancers, and small business owners. Another benefit is speed. Pismo works very fast, which means you can edit or improve content in just minutes instead of the hours. This is especially helpful when you have the deadlines or need to respond quickly to your client. Pismo can be used in many situations. Content creators can improve the blog post and captions, freelancers can polish client work, business owner can write better emails and proposals, students can improve assignment because it works with any type of text. It fits almost everywhere you need. Cost is also an important factor. Many AI writing tools charge monthly fees, which can be expensive over time. With Pismo's lifetime deal on AppSumo, you pay once and you can get the access for the long term. This is very helpful for people who want reliable writing support without worrying about monthly bills. And there are two kinds of plan for the lifetime deal, so you can choose one according to your needs. Pismo also helps the non-native English speakers that feel more confident. It removes the fear of mistakes and helps you to communicate clearly. This is especially valuable for entrepreneurs and professionals who work globally. Overall, Pismo is a simple and practical AI writing assistant that helps you to rewrite, proofread, and translate your writing easily. It saves time, it improves quality, and builds confidence in communication. The lifetime deal through the AppSumo, it makes it a smart choice for anyone who writes regularly. So that's all for today's video. If this Pismo review helped you to understand how AI can improve your writing, give the video a like and share it with someone who struggles with writing. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.